This is the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. During dangerous weather situations, weather radio receivers are activated to warn you of the impending hazard. A test of this system is conducted every Wednesday between 11:15 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be canceled. The warning alarm is activated for short-fused weather watches and warnings affecting Michigan's northern lower peninsula, the eastern upper peninsula, and the adjacent coastal waters of the Great Lakes, including Whitefish Bay, Saginaw Bay, and the St. Mary's River system. This concludes the weekly test